Okay, so just want to let you know the greenhouse that we were in just then got tore up by a windstorm last January. I was able to use frost bags and save all of the trees, and we're planning on repairing this before the cold weather comes in again, so stay tuned. This is one of my latest little darlings that everybody has fell in love with. Super cold hardy. It's called a Carolina Lime. I got it as a bud stick from a guy in Germany, and I want you to look at this. Look at all that juice. And look at their lime green.
Wow.
Look at their lime green. Wow.
And I would like for the cameraman to try it and see if he likes, if it gives good lime flavor.
It's dripping. Oh my gosh. Big seeds. That's delicious. There's
This survived the 8-degree freeze, so if you folks want to try it.
Sure, thank you.
Only problem is a little seedy, but other than that, you get plenty of juice. As you can see, my hand is covered in juice right now.
And you said it's super cold hardy.
It survived the 8-degree freeze with no problem.
And it's not a trifoliate hybrid, is
It
it?
does have some trifoliate in it. It's kind of, well, right here. Well,
Oh yeah.
Yeah, see
Just a little.
Yeah, just a little, but it does have some trifoliate somewhere. But there's no bitter aftertaste like you usually get
No.
with trifoliate.
No.
Did everybody get a taste of lime?
I'll try one. So sour.
It's freaking amazing.
Isn't that good, dude? And you said this is really popular right now?
Yeah. I took it to the Southeastern Citrus Expo in Augusta,
Yeah.
and I think I won most unusual with.
Wow.
Yeah.
Look